What's the difference between this, an air fryer, and this, a convection oven? Well, I mean, I can fit this in here, and you can fit lots of other stuff in here too. Who put my backpack in here? Prince? But despite the fact that these are drastically different in scope, they have lots of similarities too. So let's go. Similarities, differences, advantages, disadvantages. It's air fryers versus convection ovens right now. Hi, I'm Andrew from Abt. This is an air fryer. This is a convection oven. You can also find a countertop convection oven, like a toaster oven, or a toaster oven with air frying capabilities. Some full-sized ovens even have an air frying setting. So many sizes and options and possibilities. Ovens and heat and convection and air frying everywhere you look. A real whirlwind of paraphernalia. And you know, now that you mention whirlwinds, that's kind of what both air frying and convection are. A whirl of hot wind. So here we go. Let's talk through the tech and the differences between air frying and convection, and then categorically walk through your options. Ready, set? And we're on. Convection. You can find this tech in lots of ovens and in some toaster ovens. Some of those toaster ovens are called countertop convection ovens. Tomato, normal ovens without convection have a heating element on the top and one on the bottom. Convection ovens add a fan in the back to the formula and sometimes an extra heating element behind that fan. So instead of just radiating the heat, they circulate heat. They can cook food a little more quickly, a little more evenly, and they might add a little nice crispiness to the surface of some foods because of the extra flow of heat across the surface. Air frying. With this tech, you have a fan that blows hot air across your food to speed up the cooking process and cook more evenly. Plus, since the air is circulating, it can add more crispiness to your food thanks to that speed and exposure to the heat. Sorry, I feel like I just repeated myself. Maybe it's deja vu. They're two different things, obviously. You see, convection, it uses fans and the heat is circulated. And then air frying, it's just totally different. It's heat and then a fan is blowing it all around. Huh. Okay, maybe not so different. What is different is the scope and the minutia. Ovens have the heating element above and below and the fan in the back, though true or European convection also has a heating element behind that fan. Countertop air fryers have the heating element and the fan up top. And then the other big difference, and this is really shocking, so please make sure you're sitting down and you're ready for this. This is bigger than this. What a twist. Kaiser Sose, is that you? Madness. What this means on a practical level is twofold. You can obviously cook way more food in an oven than you can in a petite countertop cooker. In most air fryers, you're looking at 1 or 2 servings at a time. That's something to keep in mind if you're choosing what tool to use. If you've got a big family to feed, you want to look over here, while this is perfect for a late night snack for yourself or your significant other. But that size difference also means that air fryers are better at that whole air circulation thing. Think about it. The idea is that you're blowing the hot air around to cook more quickly and expose different sides of the food to this hot air in rapid succession. Well, a smaller cavity makes that more efficient than a big one. So in an air fryer, the hot air can really whip around the available space. And that's why most come with these perforated trays or baskets. The holes in the bottom of those trays can help the air move that much better and across that much more of your food. And you can do your part to help by spacing out your food in the basket. Give it a little space to breathe. But generally, that smaller space means much shorter preheating times, quicker cooking times, and crispier results because of the whole more hot air over a shorter period of time thing. Neat stuff. For recipes that call for cooking oil, this means that you can use less, which is why air fryers are thought of as a healthy alternative both to traditional oven cooking and certainly to deep frying, where you just cook the food in a bath of hot oil. Delicious stuff though. But air fryers are good, healthy, great stuff. Now, countertop convection ovens can split the difference to an extent. And if you see a full-sized oven with an air fryer setting, that means it has more fans, or the fans spin faster, or both. That's the same with toaster ovens with an air fryer setting. The fan will move faster than at the convection setting. And at that point, you are really getting into the nitty-gritty. If you're deciding between a toaster oven with an air fryer setting and an actual air fryer, I mean, the shape is a little different. And for that air fryer feel, you'll want a good perforated tray or basket for your toaster oven. But the rest comes down to the efficiency and quality of the machine itself. For that, and deciding between them therein, well, may I invite you to a certain magical electronics store that has all of these options and experts to walk you through them and make recommendations. I mean, could such a place exist? Maybe in my wildest imagination, which just happens to be my pet name for Glenview, Illinois, and the very real store called Abt Electronics. Come on by and take a look at these machines, or give us a call and to save yourself the trip, or check out the links below to shop online. You've got options. We've got cooking apparati. If you're watching on YouTube, comment below to let me know what non-food items you've stored in your oven. Backpacks, clothes, anything should be fair game. Also, please like and subscribe for more videos unveiling the magical mystery of all things Abt. Regardless of platform, I thank you for watching. Happy whirlwinds of hot air.